Hi everyone, welcome to Smartphone Fan, and today I bring you a Anbernic gaming handheld, and also we call it's a combination of gaming handheld and PC because this device is the newest model from Anbernic, and we can use this as a PC, and also we can use this to play games because it support Windows 10 system. Also it supports the Steam OS. So today we will have a very quick and very simple unboxing and talk and review video on this model from Anbernic. So this is a very new model from the Anbernic, and in front of the books we find some information. The model name is the Win600, and this uses the AMD 3050E processor, and also we have the 8GB RAM plus 256GB RAM. And okay, so this is a very simple design books, and let's open it and check what's inside this box. Okay, so it's a very simple design, and we just find the logo here. Anbernic, yes, Anbernic. Okay, so after we open the box, we find that here is the gaming handheld and PC device, and here I get another box, small box. Before we check the device itself, let's check this small package. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so let's take it out and let's check it one by one. So this is the cable. So they provide a Type C to Type C cable. Okay, black Type C to Type C cable, and also here it's a charger. Okay, so it's have a PD. It supports PD fast charging and QC 3.0 fast charging. It supports 45 fast charging for both PD and QC 3.0. So the PD for the PD and the QC, there are the charging technology from the MediaTek and Qualcomm. Okay, so this is the stuff inside this small package. Let's put it back, and then let's check the device. Okay, so before we get the device out, we can see it was protected by a black foam. Okay, so this is a foam, and here we got the device, the Anbernic Win600. So okay, let's put it here, and before we check the device, we check this papers first. Anbernic Win600 use manual. So this is the use manual of this device. We can find the information about the specifications and the introduction of the buttons of these devices. So this is Anbernic Win600 use manual, and here is a warranty card. Provide the warranty card, and also here they provide. I think this is the good quality screen protector for the Anbernic for device. Okay, so it's also these are some wipers removes excess dirt. So first wet and dry. So these are the tools to clean the screen, and then to put the screen protector on the screen to protect the screen. Okay, so this is the stuff, the accessories with these books. So okay, let's whoa. Okay, so finally, after we check the check the accessories and the charger, the cable, and the papers. Finally, we can find that the device is in front of us, and from the official website and from the listing on the online, we know that this is the newest model from Anbernic. It's called Win600. It houses the Windows 10 operating system, and also it have the Steam gaming OS. So it's a very useful and very nice device for gaming users. And first, let's check the device, and we will talk on the main features about this device first, and then we will talk on the main features one by one. So okay, let's put these books here. So first, let's talk on the device. It's have a very old school, old-fashioned style. It's not like the other gaming handheld we have checked, AYA, and also the X1 player. Is not actual design. It's ordinary design, and as we can see, it's not so cool. It's just they use the traditional layout of the buttons, and also it have a very low-key colors. It's a gray color. Don't use the very colorful and attractive colors, and also the material is not. Yes, it's just plastic. They just painting the sand polish material, gray color material on the plastic, and so totally speaking, it's not so amazing, not so cool like other gaming device. When we saw it at first, and the first impression is just so, and also we can find a lot of buttons of the device. So I think this will be very useful. So maybe they focus on more of the functions, but not the appearance. And also next, let's talk on the main features about this device. It's used the AMD 3050E processor, and it's have a 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, and for the RAM it support LPDDR4, and also for the ROM, okay, we are really weakened device. For the ROM, it have a replaceable hard disk. It can support SSD hard disk, so it's very cool. And also here for this screen, it's a 5.94 inch screen, and it's retouchable, so you can touch it to control the device. It's like a PC, combination of PC gaming handheld. You can use buttons and you can touch it to control the PC, the handheld. Yes, and also for the display, resolution is 1280 and 720. So it also have a nice display performance on this device. And also when we hand it on my hand, I can feel it's not so heavy like our device we have checked. It's really thin, it's really light. From the offshore website, we know it's only 490 grams, so it's very light compared to our device. So even if you use it for a long time, you will not feel tired. So it will user friendly for the gaming fans to use it to play games. And also you see the dips is okay. It's also acceptable. And for this time they have a very big batteries, over 4,000 big batteries in this device, and also it support 45-watt fast charging. Both PD and QC have already checked. And also for the system, it supports the Windows 10 system, and also it have a Steam OS, so it's both can use this as a PC to do some office work, and also it can use it to play game. And also now we have really waken up turn on the device, and we can hear the voice from the fan, because it's a very big fan to cool the device. We can hear the sound. Yes, Okay, so here is a fan, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 holes to take the heat temperature from the device. And also here is have a lots of dots here, like here HDMI, USB-C, and also it support DC and OTG dot. So it's very yes, use lot of very useful and a lot of convenient design here. And here is the R1, R2 buttons, and left 1, left 2 buttons for you to control the game, to play games. And also here some direction buttons and X, Y, A, B buttons. Here is the home button and all the Windows buttons. And also here is the selection star buttons. Also here the select buttons. And also fucking some special buttons here. Like here is the mouse and the keyboard switch buttons. And also here we can find is a keyboard shortcut buttons. We can yes, we press it will activate the keyboard. And also here is the power button. Yes, and here is the rolling buttons. So, and also you support 3.5 mm and 2 stereo speakers here, 1, 2. Yes, so this is the main introduction device about this gaming handheld from Anbernic. And about the screen, let's check it one by one. Okay, let's turn on the device again. And for the screen, it have a 5.94 inch OCQ IPS screen, and it supports 1280 and 720, and also it have a support 10 dots to control it, and the screen to body ratio is 16:9, and the summit the peak brightness is 400, and also the screen is 247 ppi. So it's about the screen. And for the OS, I really show you it support both the here, Chris. Okay. So it's both support here. It support the Steam OS buttons, and also it have Windows 10 OS, Steam OS, and Windows 10 OS. So it's very convenient because it's a combination of PC and handheld. And also for the RAM and ROM, I already show you. It have a 8 GB RAM, LPDDR4, and it support ROM 256, and it's replaceable for the SSD hard disk as well. And for the battery, it's have 4,500 big batteries, and it's combined for two. It was consist of two batteries to consist of two batteries, so it can charge fast. And also for the charging speed, it's also very fast because with the 45-watt fast charger and Type C, and it's normally it can get 2 to 5 hours standby hours. And also for the cooling system, it's have a very cool cooling system. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 holes here, and another big area of hole here to get the heat from the device when the temperature of inside is over 47 centigrade. The fan will work efficient to adjust the speed of the rotate of the fan to take the heat from the device, so it can be adjustable for the fans, works more efficient. And also here we can find the rocking stick here, 2 rocking stick here, 1, 2, both 3D rocking stick. It's very helpful for the gaming lovers and they can use this to control the games and play games, get a very good gaming experience for when they use these two joy rocking sticks. And also when they play racing or shooting or sport gamings, these stickers are very nice for them. And so this is about the very quick and very simple unboxing talking videos on this newest model from Anbernic, the Win600. And if you want to check more information and testing videos of this device, you can check the virtual website and get more information from there. And thanks for watching my videos, and hope you like it. It's a very quick and very simple unbox video of this device. If you like it, just comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks. Bye bye.